Let's unbox this and see what we get. We have the wrist exerciser here and a pretty extensive book, a user manual full of all of these exercises and steps to do in multiple languages, so that's pretty handy. And then of course the exerciser grip here with pretty soft foam and support right here, and then the grip over here. So let's try this out. This goes over your arm, this under your arm, and it's all pretty soft here, so that's nice. Okay, that's really soft, and then you just flex that. Okay, so it's pretty tough to do. You can already feel that right here. Oh. Yep, that works pretty great. So this is a great product, very soft, very flexible, and great for your workout.